Om Namah Shivaya. Here was a beautiful, wonderful, powerful Lord Kubera Dakshinavati conch or Valambari Shanku or right open conch in 45 grams in weight. Back side you can see Lord Kubera Chakra. Beautiful, powerful conch. This conch will make you richer. The Lord Kubera Valambari Shanku or Dakshinavati conch or right open conch. And it have 4 lines, 1 2 3 4 lines. Amazing piece, amazing quality, tip to tip fine quality. Lord Kubera Alamburi Shangu Dakshinavati conch right open conch, finest quality. With back side you can see Lord Kubera Chakra. This conch will make you richer. Such a wonderful conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.